Optimus is excited to be your trusted advisor. For this, we need to be both experts in the products and solutions we represent and understand your specific needs and industry requirements. Optimus keeps expanding in more geographies through different continents. We have also formed strategic alliances with key solution developers to expand our offerings and meet the specific needs of the region. Utilizing our business process optimization methodology. This is why we focus on a few key industries, including with our verticals and business accelerators. Our accomplishments. We are proud to hold the titles of Microsoft Gold Certified Partner, Diamond Partner for LS Retail, and Black Belt for Power BI. With our strategic alliances. We've also formed strategic alliances with key solution developers to expand our offerings and meet the specific needs of the region. We empower organizations with cutting-edge tech to drive growth and success.